Unit, we are going to see about sustainable development. What is sustainable development? Meeting the needs of the present generation without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. The main significance of sustainable development is that to develop appropriate technology using 3R approach, that is reduce, reuse, recycle. Environmental education and awareness, usage of renewable resources and conservation of non-renewable resources, and also population control. What are the urban problems related to energy? Before going to the topic, let us know what is urbanization. Movement of human population from rural areas to urban areas for the want of better education, communication, health, and employment is termed as urbanization. Urban sprawl, conversion of cities to suburban or rural areas is termed as urban sprawl. What are the main reasons for urban sprawl? Is that people from rural area shift to urban areas. Urban growth is so fast and it is difficult to accommodate all the facilities. This leads to urban sprawl. What are the main energy demanding activities? So it is residential and commercial lighting, transportation which needs petrol and diesel as an energy source, industrial works which mainly needs energy, modern lifestyle which consumes much energy, control of pollution needs energy dependent technologies. What are the solutions for urban energy problems? We can use public transport, we can minimize the energy consumption, we can increase production capacity, we can use energy efficient technologies, then we can use renewable sources, and also we have to follow strict laws and penalty. Let us look after the water conservation, which is the main problem. Saving water for future utilization is termed as water conservation. What is the need of water conservation? Number one, improper quality of water resources, which leads to water conservation. Number two, modern lifestyle, which needs more water resources. Number three, increase in population. Number four, decrease in rainfall. Number five, over exploitation of groundwater, which leads to water conservation. Number six, agriculture and industries which demand water. There are so many strategies for water conservation. Number one, reducing evaporation loss. Number two, reducing irrigation loss. Number three, reuse of water. Number four, preventing wastage of water. Number five, decreasing runoff losses. Number six, avoiding discharge of sewage into water bodies. Rainwater harvesting. It is one of the famous method used for water conservation. It is a technique of capturing and storing rainwater for future utilization. Rooftop rainwater harvesting. Collecting water that falls on the roof of a house and conveying it through PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride pipes, or aluminum pipe to nearby storage unit. Rainwater is stored in recharge pits which contain stones and sand which act as a filter. What are the main advantages of this rainwater harvesting? It reduces current consumption, it mitigates the drought condition, it increases the availability of water from well, it increases the rise in groundwater level, it minimizes the flood, future generation is assured of water. Watershed, which is also another type of water conservation technique, land area from which water drains under the influence of gravity into stream, lake, or dam. The need of watershed management is to minimize flood, to develop rural area, to use water for developmental activities, to generate huge employment opportunities, to promote social forestry, to protect soil from erosion, to raise groundwater level. There are so many techniques adopted for watershed management, which is trenches, earthen dam, farm pond, and underground barriers. So far, we have discussed about urban problems related to energy and water conservation. Thank you.